Happy New Year's, everyone, and wow, things are getting hot already. Because this right here is the actual New Year surprise. I know we talked about the hands-on look of the S26 series in the previous video, but this is something that I wanted to be true for quite some time. And well, we got the most official look at Samsung's most innovative Galaxy feature. They are the first company in the world to implement this. Samsung also officially kicked off their first look event at CES 2026. And no, we did not hear anything regarding the S26 lineup yet, but I'm going to tell you exactly just how many days till you see the official S26 series launch. And well, the number is 51 days. Yes, February 25th is when we're gonna see the S26 series being officially announced in San Francisco, California. 51 days is quite a bit of time, but luckily we have our first official look at Samsung's most innovative Galaxy feature, which is the new AI privacy display. So this right here is the official kind of demonstration of how the AI privacy screen feature will work on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Once you turn this feature on, the display will actively block side angle viewing, like people next to you will simply cannot see what's on your screen. We honestly don't even fully know how Samsung is pulling this off, but it actually looks insanely well. And yes, this is gonna be way better than just having a privacy screen on your display, because not only it affects your brightness, but also it kind of downgrades your touch experience as well. So this is gonna be something truly next level. So while the S26 Ultra won't have the brightest display on the market, somehow, someway, it might be the best display on a phone in a completely different way. But wait, we have more Samsung surprises on the way. Trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. Now, before we move forward, I want to quickly thank our sponsor, CyberGhostVPN, for supporting this video. A lot of people think that using incognito mode means they're private online, but that's actually not true. Your internet provider, workplace, school network, or public Wi-Fi, and even websites themselves can still see and track what you're doing. With CyberGhostVPN, all of your internet traffic is encrypted and routed through secure servers, so no one can spy on your activity, steal your data, or track your real location. Plus, you can also unlock content that's normally blocked in your country. For example, you can access different Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video libraries from around the world, or play games and visit websites that might otherwise be restricted. They've got over 100 server locations worldwide with support on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Plus, you can protect up to 7 devices at the same time, which is great for family sharing. And right now, with the link in the description, you can get a special deal of up to 84% off plus 4 months free, which brings the price down to just $2 per month. There's also a 45-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. So for ultimate privacy and freedom online and safety, definitely check out CyberGhostVPN using the link in the description. Alrighty, so I know we're talking about the Galaxy S26 lineup in this video, but what if I tell you that we have our first early leak regarding the Galaxy S27 lineup? I know this is super early, so just bear with me. It's coming from Ice Universe, so we just have to talk about it because he's just one of the most trusted sources regarding Samsung leaks on the planet. According to his early info, we're finally going to see a main camera change on the S27 Ultra, along with the front camera change, thank God, and the ultra-wide angle change. The zoom sensor is the only sensor that's apparently going to remain the same. This is again a full sensor change, so that is all planned for 2027. If you're using the S25 Ultra, you're obviously not going to upgrade on the S26 Ultra, so this might be a great news for you. But for those who are using older Samsung flagship models like the S24 Ultra or even the S23 Ultra, then this 2026 release is looking spicy. In case you missed the previous video, it seems like we are actually getting MagSafe compatibility on Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup for the first time natively. So you can just attach magnetic accessories on the back of the phone without using any third-party case. And well, apparently Samsung is going to offer their own official wireless charger, a magnetic wireless charger for the S26 series, up to 5,000 mAh battery, said to be super slim, and you can just attach it on the back of the phone using MagSafe. Not just that, there will be a lot more other magnetic accessories coming for the S26 lineup. Also, we have some info regarding the pricing of the S26 series, and well, it seems like if you're in the US, then you're in the good because there's not going to be any price change. But in other markets, there is said to be a price increase for the S26 lineup, and that is not a good news considering we don't have a lot of upgrades for the base S26 model anyway. So right now, the pricing news is all over the place, so I suggest you should wait for some more clarity on this news in the coming weeks. Now, speaking of clarity, it seems like like we now know for sure officially that Samsung is bringing their biggest AI upgrade to Bixby ever. They might just even completely replace Bixby with Perplexity AI. Yes, according to the software code leak that was spotted by Android Authority, this is again coming from the software code, so we know that this is something that is being worked on. Apparently, for Samsung devices, you can say, "Hey Plex," and this will initiate the Perplexity AI, so you can just ask it to do whatever you want to do. And obviously, it will be much better than Bixby, kind of like how ChatGPT is. This is Samsung's long-term strategy of not depending on Google Gemini too much, so they want to have something of their own, which is likely going to be the Perplexity AI, as being confirmed by the software code. Judging from this, the S26 Ultra will be an AI powerhouse like we have never seen before. And last but not the least, I'm going to quickly talk about what Samsung has done at the CES 2026. They gave us the first look at what they are cooking, which is not for the S26 hardware. This is for their TVs, their display tech. Their Galaxy Z Trifold showed off for the first time in the US. Team Ztech here was at CES, and one of the big things that we have seen that was kind of exciting that we will cover extensively in our CES video is this 135-inch micro RGB display. This is the first in the world to have such a big size with Samsung's micro RGB technology. According to Samsung, with this tech, you get even more high quality, real life like colors on your TV, along with other enhanced picture processing technologies like 4K AI upscaling Pro and AI Motion Enhancer Pro. And of course, we had our first look at the Galaxy Z Trifold, which obviously looked pretty stunning as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to check out CyberGhostVPN using the link in the description below. It helps you browse safer and secure, plus also helps you unblock blocked content, all for just $2 a month, which is an amazing deal, completely risk-free. Definitely check the link in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.